Hey, what's going on everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have that blurred effect with the vertical portion of your video and then have the landscape portion of your video clear as day, being able to see the entire frame of what you're trying to show off. I've seen this online a lot of times and I've always wondered how, people are doing this, and I just now learned. So I figured I would teach everyone else on my channel on how you can do this. Today I'm going to be using Davinci Resolve. I don't know how you would do it in other video editing softwares, but I'm sure, it would be a similar process or order of operations. So I'm going to show you what the end result looks like right here. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Very professional, and it gives you that unique blurred effect. So we're going to get right into it. Right now I'm in Davinci Resolve, which is my video editing software of choice. The first thing that I'm going to want to do is go to cut, and then I'm going to add my media, import media. I'm going to select the video I want, and this is the video that I would like to use. Next thing I'm going to do is go to File, Project Setting, and then in the master settings I'm going to want to make sure that it's in the vertical resolution format, and make sure to adjust your frame rate as well, as sometimes that doesn't carry over correctly. You're going to save those settings, go to edit, and then after that you're going to drop in your footage. Okay, and as you can see, we're in the vertical format right now because we selected that. You're going to want to go to the Resolve effect, and you're going to want to get this filter right here. It's called Gaussian blur, and you can drag that onto your video, which I just did. And you can adjust the strength of the blur. You can make it no blur or a lot of blur, but I like to have mine right in the middle, so probably around there, maybe just a little bit less. Okay, so the next step is to copy the video, and then I'm going to paste, unlink the clips because we don't need the same audio playing twice, so we'll just delete this audio. After that, we're going to add another video track and put that right there on video track 2. Get the playhead over there. So we're going to select the copied video track, and then we're going to go to the video section up here, and then we're going to zoom out. So we're going to zoom out on the, and we can delete the effect as well. So we can go to the effects, turn that off. There you go. And then go back to your video tab, and then you can zoom out again to make it into a 16:9. So that should give us the desired effect. So, yeah.
Move out and secure.
Okay, so it looks like we have it in the format that we would like it to be in, and then you can go to deliver, or add other stuff to it if you want. Go to deliver, add to render queue, delete that last one, render, and then now it's going to make your video into the blurred background and the 16:9 format, so layered on top of one of another. So yeah, if you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.